For this section, we're going to talk about rule utilitarianism, which is a set of rules created by Bernard Gert, which increases happiness in most cases for the greater good. Those rules are: do not kill, do not cause pain, do not disable, do not deprive of freedom or pleasure, do not deceive, keep your promises, do not cheat, obey the law, and do your duty. For obeying the law with cyberbullying, though no federal laws have been determined yet, state and local lawmakers have taken legal action to make it easier for the victims to receive the help that they need and to feel safer in all environments, and for the bullies to know that what they're doing is wrong. In December of 2010, the U.S. Department of Education reviewed state laws and identified 11 key components common among the laws related to bullying, cyberbullying, and related behaviors for both adults and juveniles. Some of those key components include outlining the range of detrimental effects bullying has on students, including impacts on student learning, school safety, student engagement, and the school environment, and provides a specific definition of bullying, which includes a clear definition of cyberbullying. For do not cause pain, the Cyberbullying Research Center found that victims of cyberbullying were more likely to suffer from low self-esteem and suicidal thoughts. They suggest further research needs to be done to see if low self-esteem is a result of being cyberbullied or if it makes a person more likely to be the target of cyberbullying. A recent study done by the U.S. National Institute of Health found that victims of cyberbullying showed more signs of depression than any other bullying victims. This may be because cyberbullying can be more relentless and more frightening and discouraging, especially if the bully is anonymous. For do not deprive pleasure, cyberbullying actively pushes away people from a community that they decided to be a part of. For example, forums, the joy of being in a community of fellow-minded, would be nullified due to cyberbullying if it arises. In the case of online gaming, cyberbullying doesn't allow the players to fully enjoy the game. Being verbally abused during any interaction within the game or community could take away all pleasure obtained by the game. Finally, for do your duty, there are ways to make things right. If you or someone you know is a victim of cyberbullying or know someone who is the bully, talk to someone. Get help from either the authorities, a parent, someone in charge like a teacher, your boss, principal. Block accounts causing the problem. Also keep record of any texts, emails, or posts to use as evidence for later. Even if it's a fake account, local law enforcement can still track down who started the attack. Cyberbullying does not follow these set guidelines and rules of rule utilitarianism, but there are ways to make things better for the victims so that people can be happy in the end. The silence can be broken, and victims do not have to hide or feel threatened if people step up and take a stand.